Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to pay a Atome card using LandBank app. In this tutorial, we'll walk you through how to pay your Atome bill using the LandBank app in a simple and efficient way. Start by opening your LandBank app and making sure your account or online debit card details are available, including sufficient balance for the payment. Once ready, open the Atome app and head to the Pay Early or Payment section. From here, you have two convenient options. You can first transfer funds from LandBank to an e-wallet such as Gcash or Maya, then return to Atome and use that e-wallet as your payment method. Or you can pay directly using your LandBank online card. To do this, select the card payment option, tap Add Card, and carefully enter the card number, card holder name, expiry date, and CVV as shown in your LandBank. You may also set it as your default payment method for future transactions. After saving and confirming, the payment will be processed and the amount will be deducted from your LandBank account, completing your Atome bill payment smoothly and securely. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.